Hello everybody, I'm pretty excited here to show you a new Future Present in Arttista 1.8 that allows you to import some content from your shape library into your current animation, into your current drawing, but lets you select which frame you want to import, and this content, this imported content, will be in the position that you have in your scene. So I will show you right now. I have this draw. I'll be using this simple draw just to keep this tutorial simple. So as you can see here, I have the bones and I have some objects assigned to these bones, right? And I have the same bone I have the same bones in this frame, right? So what it changes from this frame to this frame is the view of this character. Here we have the front view at frame 0, and here we have the side view at frame 1. And of course, in a real situation, we should and we could have a lot of views, but just to keep this tutorial simple, I'll be using just 2. Okay, so I have the same bones and I have different objects and different views inside frame 0 and inside frame 1. So what I have to do now is export as shape, and I already did it, and it's here. So let's pretend that I am doing this right now. Let me do it again. Boy 2, right? Save. Okay, and now we have this boy 2 here, but this is not what we'll be using, right? Just this one. Let me delete this. Yes. Okay. Let's start fresh draw, and here it is. And the difference between this new feature and the old one is that I can insert some circle as just as example, and I put here, and we have the circle here, right? But now if I hold on the shift the shift key down on my keyboard, and the shift down on my keyboard and click, Arttista will ask me which frame I wanna import, and if I want to invalidate what will happen with the current content in my animation. But let's talk about it later. So I want the front view, right? Frame 0. And here it is. You can note that we don't have the second frame because we have imported just the frame 0. So I will create a keyframe here, another keyframe here. I'll do another pose. I will do, right? Let's interpolate this animation, and F2 for interpolate, and we got this. We have this. So let's go here and let me fix the front. Okay. At this frame, I will create another keyframe, and I go here again, and I will import the frame 1 instead frame 0, as we did before, to this exactly same position. Let me change it's okay. Shift, I have to keep the shift down, click here. Oh, sorry. I have to keep the shift down, click here, and Arttista will ask me again which frame I want to use. Now I want to import the frame 1, and I have to talk about this option. Okay, what this option do is as soon the new content is merged to your current animation content, the old content at this frame will be discarded, will be invalidated. Okay, so we have this. The side view was imported from the frame 1 of this file and was put in the exactly same bones position as you can see here. The bones are in the same place of this frame, and now I have the side view and I can continue my animation. Of course, you will have some strange collateral effects sometimes because the vector will assume some strange positions, but it's normal to have some strange effects sometimes. Let me see here. Let me put this here like this. Oh, it's, let me put it down there like the frame. It's not good, but it's enough to show you how it works. Here, this, a little bit to back. Let me see the arm. Okay, and I can continue. I go here, create another keyframe, put it here, the legs a little back there. The arm a little bit here, like this, the head, and let's interpolate. So we have this. Let's fix some strange artifacts. Sorry. Okay, and now that we are here, we go to this frame again, Ctrl F2 to create a new keyframe, and I will do what we did from the first time. Sorry, hold on the shift, click here, and I select the frame 0. Okay, so it will import the frame 0 from this file to your current animation, and will invalidate all the content that is associated or to some that is assigned to some bones, to the same bones. And now we have, of course, we have we have strange results, but it is normal because the pose, the object pose are very different from the original frame, so it's normal to have different and sometimes odd effects. Let me see. Okay, fix the front, and now here. Let's do some different. Okay, let's interpolate. So we got, oh, this leg is a little bit too up here too. We have this, right? The shadow is not good here. Little back there, and here, little also back there. Now that we are here, I will show you another thing. I did the same stuff for a mouth with these two teeth here, and I will show you something different. This mouth is assigned to this bone, the central two, that is the head, and now I'm gonna do first. I select this mouth and I will invalidate from here to the end. Control F8, right? And now I go there and I select the face and click here, holding the shift. And I want the first frame. And now I don't want to invalidate old skin, because if I do this, all the head will be missed, will be discarded, will be invalidated. So I do not use this, and here is the mouth. And I go here. Yeah, let me do a little bit. And let's change. No, I think it's good to show you, and I'm kind of got a feeling that if I continue something here, I'll something very ugly will be here. So I think this is it. I think now you have the idea that of what you can do and why this new feature is so important, because you can have your character in, I don't know, 10 or 15 views of your character, each view in one separated frame, and then you don't have to draw your character anymore, because all you have to do is to import your character to your current scene, adjust the bones, and the bones of the next frame will be in the same position that the prior frame. As you can see here, we'll change again the position. At this frame, we go here, Control F2, and I click here, and I select the first frame. And now I will validate everything, because I want everything new. And, oh, sorry, we already the second frame. And here it is. As I said, some strange artifacts, but there's no problem. It's easy to fix. And again, as you can see here, the bones are in the same position that you had before. Right? And the difference is that the objects are from the second frame of this file, of this shape template. So this is it. I hope you got the idea, and if you have any questions, just ask me. This is it. Bye bye.